Hello, I went to the Humboldt County Library today and talked to the coordinator of Lego Kids Club, a club for kids to build whatever they want with Lego. When informing the kids about my YouTube channel, they got very excited about having their creations featured in this video. So stay tuned to the end to see those. It's all coming up after this.
I'm Eureka. I am the Youth Services Outreach Coordinator here at Humboldt County Library. I'm based often in the Eureka Children's Room, but I get to go all around the county, and I get to connect with a lot of the programming and offerings for kids all around. Last year, I helped with a friend's wedding, and at the wedding, I officiated, and after a while, they gave me their Lego collection as a thank you, which was really sweet, right around the same time I started here. And programming was just getting going again after the pandemic, so it was pretty exciting to be able to design some things for kids and families to enjoy connecting with each other. And what better way than Lego Club? So we started a Lego Club. It was a Saturday event once a month, second Saturdays, for about 6-7 months. And so I think it started in about October and went across the winter. In March we had 135 people here, so it was pretty big. It was a 1-hour event based on one called We Be Clubbin', a Lego librarian blog that's fun online, which had themes and ideas and kind of a basic structure of just separating out the wheels, the base plates, the people, and letting everything else be fun to explore. But I soon found that kids really wanted to make a certain kind of thing every time. Like some kids always want helicopters, some kids always wanted to make scenes from video games, no matter what the theme was. So we ended up letting go of themes a bit, and during the summertime moved it to Wednesday evenings because we're open till 8. So it's been twice a month and smaller, which has been kind of nice because it gives the families a chance to build together. So more parents building as well as the kids and teenagers popping in. Some people know it's happening and they plan for it. They're ready to go and waiting. Their kids and families are surprised by it and happen upon it and enjoy it, and then look at the calendar to see when the next one is. Since then I've gotten some other Lego donations, big giant tubs of fun Legos. I sort them out, I clean them, I take out random things that aren't Legos and get them all ready. And we right now started some new Lego clubs in Willow Creek and the Kim Burton Memorial Library in Hoopa recently. Those are just getting going. And then there's already a builders club in Fortuna and in Trinidad, which is fun, and those are monthly. But ours has been pretty big, and we have this display case that I instantly was so excited to use for the Lego Club. So we put everyone's creations in there with their name and maybe the name of their piece if they have something. But a lot of them have really specific ideas of what they want to do when they come in, and others are just playing with what's there. And I always have fun making houses and gardens and little going on quests for kids, finding all the blue pieces or all the orange pieces or treasure, anything like that, which is a lot of fun. Like tonight I got to go on 2 different treasure hunts, and that made me very happy. I don't usually spend much time building here, but I like to build things at our house. Yeah, so that's Lego Club here. We're excited to see how it grows and develops over time. They started an adult Lego Club here at the library this summer. That's been small, but might be nurtured to get a little bigger over time. But it's been a lot of fun here in the children's room, building with Legos.
Please subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of videos I post. Thanks for watching.